Ayan, okay, walang magtutulakan. Doing good so far, guys. Doing good. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Malapit na po. Sana ganito sa MRT, no? Ganito kalinis. Ganito kaayos. Hindi nagsisiksikan. Ayan. Once again, for those wishing a selfie, no DSLRs, only phones for now, only phones for selfie photos. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Opo, yung mga bata, may mga baby. Okay, dahan-dahan, relax lang. Yung mga buntis, PWD, seniors, we are giving you priority. Hi, Jay!